Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. I have another episode of hashtag Friendship Any Day. This is a special Friendship Any Day from a special friend. Her name is Yvonne Russell. Many of you may not have heard of her. A lot of you may. She is an amazing creator of journals. She lives in Australia. She's not been creating as many journals lately because of some things, going on at home. But she is nevertheless such a dear, sweet person. And I sent her a couple of my kits and asked her to, or didn't ask her, so she could have them. She wanted to make me something using those two kits, and I thought, you don't have to do that. You use them however you want. I'm just tickled to death that someone loves them and wanted to use them. So she created this beautiful journal for me, a tag journal, using my digital kit, Yesterday's Memories, and also Grungy Goodness. You almost maybe can't see the Grungy Goodness so much, but this is the front. Look at the sweet little tassel she made. Everything she makes is just so beautiful. And this was how it was wrapped up. And she said, "Dear Dale, I hope you enjoy this little tag book I made with your beautiful Yesterday's Memory kit. Happy creating. Love from Yvonne." She is so sweet, and I love everything she makes. Isn't this gorgeous? This is one of the main pages, if you will, out of the kit. And she added this embossing on this beautiful blue paper and this lace, and she cinched it or tied it with this beautiful ribbon. Let's look at it, my friends. It is so pretty. She did a muslin spine. It's been sewn. This little girl is from my kit. Isn't she adorable? So she did like a slide or specimen card. Isn't that gorgeous? And then she did put this up here, the little cluster here with the little safety pins and the little baby button. Isn't that cute? She fussy cut a little butterfly here, some stamping, it looks like, embossing. Just gorgeous. Slow down and enjoy life. Oh, I didn't see this. Same thing. Hope you enjoy this journal from the beautiful kit. Isn't this pretty? Look at the embossing. I love embossed anything. Thank you so much, Yvonne. This, I've already looked at it, guys. I was just couldn't wait to see it. So this is not like, oh my goodness, I've never seen this before, because I've already oohed and awed over it. So this is the second page. This is one of my digitals from the Grungy Yesterday's Memories. This was an original copy, a copy of my original mixed media art. Then the background paper here was from the kit too. And then she fussy cut this sweet little butterfly. He's kind of 3D-ish here. Isn't that sweet? Can you flip this? She's got the pretty blue tie there. This is from my original mixed media, a copy of a picture of it, I should say, that's in the kit, I think. And then she's got a sweet little tag. This is from my Grungy Goodness kit, that little part. It just shows you can blow things up, make things smaller to get the look that you want. They're so versatile. So many things that you can do with them. This is another part of this page. And this gorgeous and this beautiful lady with this layering. Yvonne's work is just so beautiful, so unique. And I bent it, or the mailman did. I'll have to reglue that. Isn't this gorgeous? Sweet little tag there. Oh, Yvonne, this is so, so pretty. Oops, I'm getting hung on some stuff. Another beautiful butterfly, and I believe she did some stenciling here. And this is from my Grungy Goodness kit that she stitched and did stenciling over the top. This gorgeous tag's another beautiful butterfly, and I love the way you did these frames with the pictures. And this, look here, flips open. Isn't that gorgeous? And she did the old tape. Yvonne, this is just stunning. Look at this. Love, love the way she did this. Like I said, guys, check her YouTube channel is also Yvonne Russell, I'm pretty sure. I will try to link one of her videos in the description box so that you can check her out. You will love and be so inspired by her creations. This is from my kit here with the blue butterfly there, and look, she cut him out. I didn't even notice that, girl. That's my blue butterfly from my kit, and she fussy cut it out. Isn't that sweet? And tied the gold thread around for its body and left the strands long for his antennae. So cool. This is a little scrappy pad using the kit some of the kit pages. This sweet. Thank you so much, Yvonne. I love this. Quit wrinkling up. So very beautiful. Another one of my butterflies. She just made it different sizes. This is from the kit. This is one of the pages. Isn't that adorable? It was my very first digital kit I ever made. Where I actually put things together and created it versus making copies of like my original art and making digitals from it, which I had, but this was the first one I actually created. Here's another page from the kit with the sweet little girl that you saw in the beginning page right here. She just resized it. Isn't she adorable? The beautiful butterfly. And there it is, another size. That is so cool. It's so fun to see somebody use one of my digitals. I've sold quite a few of several, but especially the Grungy Goodness, Boho Me background pages. That's the one I sell all the time, but I've yet to see anybody actually use it and do a video about it. Look, she did some stenciling here, our family heritage, and she's got some dates she stenciled there. That's gorgeous. This is from the kit, this part here. And she just sized it differently, made it bigger. And that gives you so many ideas of how you can use things. This page, I think, is from my Grungy Goodness kit. But I might have included a page in yesterday's memories. I just don't remember. I've slept since then. And then she layered these other papers. Isn't that gorgeous? And this too. Yvonne, it's exquisite. And look at this. This feels like waxed, sort of like the deli paper, almost. And it's a copy of an 1896 receipt. That may be in the kit as well. I can't remember. I hope Yvonne will also do a flip through of this on her channel so I can see what was from my kit and what wasn't, because it's been so long since I've seen it. And look at this. Fly Free in that beautiful cluster. And there's that butterfly again from my kit. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful papers. And the way she made it. And you can tuck that in and leave that on the outside. Oh, Yvonne, this is, I just can't quit looking at it. It is so gorgeous. Looky here. This is from my Grungy Goodness kit right here. This is a little ticket. It says postcard. Isn't that cute? Memories. So sweet. Look at this little house tag, sunshine, and there's my little girl again. And this is some more from the kit, this page, and this is from Grungy Goodness. And this is a, wait. Look at that stenciling, I think. It opens up, look! She's in the kit. Isn't she adorable? And I have the original cabinet cards of these little girls. It says family. I just love her. She's so stinking cute. So gorgeous. Yvonne, this is just beautiful. I love this. And Yvonne is just an amazing artist. I can't say enough. You just have to check her out. This is from the kit too, the bee, and then she put it's like a Tim Holtz flower there. Look at how she did that. She has such great ideas. This is an embossed paper and the gratitude, and I am so grateful for friends like Yvonne that are so sweet. Thank you so much for doing this. Isn't that a sweet picture? I love this netting behind it with the little polka dots. This is from the kit. Absolutely beautiful. My oh my, Yvonne. So pretty. And then the back page, you know, this is from the kit. She did the embossing. Oh, so guys, check out Yvonne Russell. She is an artist extraordinaire from down under in Australia. I adore her. Been praying for her and her family, and you know, her house was flooded at one point, I think, last year or the end of the year before. I can't recall, but she still is positive and thinks of others, and she's so creative. Look at this. Imagine. If you can imagine it, you can do it. Thank you so much, Yvonne. This just blessed my heart so much. Thank you. I can't, you just have no idea how much I love this. Such a treasure for me, and gives me such inspiration. I need to do some journals using my own kits, don't I? Gorgeous. So, thank you everybody for watching, and I'm not positive, but I may try to get a design team together for my digitals. I don't have a lot, but I've got quite a few to choose from, and I'm going to be doing more. So if you might be interested, let me know. I'm only going to choose 4 or 5 people to be on my design team. And if you might be interested, let me know. This was an example of one of the kits that Yvonne used. So, I love you guys. You know, above all else, that God loves you. And so do I. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.